Today we are going to install the new Turn Offroad Ford Bronco EA9M4 TOR side rack quick disconnect. These racks fit the Ford Bronco 2 and 4 door models. Installation time is around 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself, but better with a friend, with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Before we begin, let's go over the components of the side rack system. This is the kit you'll receive for installation on the Bronco Turn hardtop. These pieces here are used to install to the top. The MOLLE panel will connect from this bracket to this bracket, which will go underneath the hardtop on the bottom. These L tracks are for optional installation, if you want to have D loops or other attachment points on the outside of the vehicle. Let's start by removing the backing plates for the Turn Offroad hardtop accessory mounts. There are two locations, one easily accessible, and the other tucked behind the framework. After you remove the backing plates, remove the outer billet plates from the hardtop, as you see here. Now, remove the rubber seals from the back of the billet plate, and set them aside. Then, do the same to the other plate. Next, grab the top mounting bracket and set the billet plates on top, as you see here, then set in a bolt on each plate to hold it in place. Now, slide on the spacing plate and don't forget the rubber seal, and then set the whole thing in place on the hardtop, and thread in the bolts. Now, assemble the other if you haven't already, and begin threading in the bolts by hand. The main goal is to set the plates and the bracket in place, as shown here to prep the next steps. Install the backing plates and hardware at this time and tighten down. Next, move to the inside to remove the 3 Torx bolts, holding the hardtop in place. Once they are removed, have a friend lift up on the top so you can slide the bottom bracket plate in place, between the hard top and the body. Make sure the alignment pins and mounting holes line up, then hand thread the 3 Torx bolts back into place. Do not tighten it this time. Now, grab the MOLLE panel, and temporarily install hardware into these outer mounting holes, to hold it in place. With it held in place, align and install the bottom L track, as you see here. Next, with the L track installed and still loose in place, remove the 2 end bolts, grab the billet end caps, and install them, as you see here. Next, with the bottom mounted in place, we can shift the MOLLE panel around, until all the bolt holes line up. Now, with the mounting holes all lined up, we can go ahead and install the top L track. Thread in the center bolt and work your way outward, threading in the L track bolts. Next, with the bolts in place, and hand tight, go ahead and install the L track billet ends as before. Now, this is our last opportunity to adjust our centering, and then we can go ahead and start tightening the L track here at the bottom. Get that nice and snug, and then, we're just going to work our way out in both directions, top and bottom. Next, not shown, we're going to do a final tightening of the hardtop bolts. Tighten down the inner bolts on each side of your hardtop. It's a good measure to push in on the top so that when you tighten it down, you don't have any air gaps. Now, repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle, and you are fully ready to tackle the trails. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Off-Road side rack install. Engineered specifically for the Turn Offroad 4-door hardtop, these MOLLE panels mount directly to the side of your vehicle's hardtop. No drilling, no guesswork. Precision cut MOLLE slots let you securely attach pouches, tools, first aid kits, and recovery gear, while integrated patterns allow for direct mounting of RotopaX and traction boards. What sets these apart? Our exclusive quick disconnect L-track system. It gives you the freedom to add industry-standard L-track accessories like tie-down rings, cargo hooks, brackets, and modular shelving, all with quick toolless removal. Until your next Turn product install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your product installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.